Pleasant good morning to everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May the peace, mercy, and blessing of Allah be upon you. Today's topic, biographical sketch. Biographical sketch. What is biographical sketch? It means an account of the life and activities of an individual or family. They'll give the main points of that person. It includes the information about person's name, place of residence, education, his occupation, life and activities, and other important details. It is always written by someone else except the person on which it is written. Now suppose if you want to write a biographical sketch of Sachin Tendulkar, you need the information about his name, place of residence, his education, his occupation, his career, his and activities and other important details. So tips to write bio sketch. What are the tips to follow to write a bio sketch? It conveys the information about a person's life, like his achievements or her achievements, likes or dislikes. You will be provided a profile which gives you some verbal inputs about a person. See this, you will be provided a profile. Now I am going to give one profile to you about a person which gives you some verbal inputs about a person. Now what are the features? Proper heading is important while you are writing biographical sketch. Should include all the given hints. Once again you go through all the points. What is biographical sketch? It means an account of life and activities of an individual or family. It includes the name of the person, place of residence, education, occupation, life and activities, and other important details. So it conveys the information about a person's life, like his achievements or her achievements, likes and dislikes. Okay, now what are the main features? We have to follow the proper heading. Should includes all the given details. Now let us take one profile of Koneru Hampi. Koneru Hampi. Koneru Hampi profile. First of all, what I said, they'll give the name in the profile. What the name? Koneru Hampi. Koneru Hampi. Next, date of birth. Date of birth, when she was born on 31st March 1987. Height 5.6 inches, it means 165 centimeter. State or team she represented, or team she represented. Which team? Indian team. Okay. National team of India, national Indian team. Next one, sports or games. Which one? Chess player. Okay. Debut means first entry. What is the meaning of debut? When she enter in chess at the age of 8. At the age of 8 in 1995 in Indian Under 8. She played under 8. Under 8. National championship. Best in the career. Best in the career. The second woman in the world, the second woman in the world with points in FIDE, FIDE, in FIDE rating, in FIDE international rating in July 2009. What are her hobbies? What are her hobbies? Reading books, and spending time with family, family. What are the awards? What are the awards she received? See here, this is the profile. In the examination, they will give this profile, name of the person and date of birth or some other information, height. They'll give state, which state she belongs to. Okay, next is sports, which sports they belongs to or in which career. Then best in the career, debate when they enter into this one, and hobbies they gave. And here awards also. What are the awards she received? Okay, so what are the awards she received? Awards. What are the awards? There are many, but I'll mention here a few. Asia's youngest international woman, women's master. They'll give the title master, grand master in chess in 1990. Next, youngest grandmaster in 2001. World Junior Championship 2001 in Athens. These are the information. See here, in the examination, they will give the profile about that person. What you have to do is, by taking each and every point, whatever they mentioned there, you have to make one paragraph. Okay, you have to include all these things. So now I given the profile about Koneru Hampi. Now let me give some details about her. Okay, Koneru Hampi. Now let me tell you the answer for this one. They given all the points. Is it or not? Her name, when she entered. Now this profile. Now I have prepared one profile of this one. Now you see, if I write, it will take more time. Now see, I given all the points about name, debate, date of birth, when she entered into this chess, what are her achievements, what the awards she received. Okay, all. Now make, by keeping all these points, make one paragraph. Okay, so it means to write the biographical sketch. Now see answer. Koneru Hampi is a popular female Indian chess player. She was born on, see this point I am taking from there, she was born on 31st March 1987 at Gudivada, Andhra Pradesh. Which state she belongs to? Andhra Pradesh. In 1985, she won the South India Open Championship. Her father introduced her to the chess game at quite an early age. See, I added this one. If you want to take all the information which is given in the profile, by keeping in your mind, write one paragraph. Okay. So, at the age of 18, she won the under 8 national chess championship in 1995. After proved her brilliant performance at the national level, Humpy entered the international chess circle. She clinched the world chess title under 10, under 12 and under 14 age groups. Later in 1990, Humpy holds an international master title when she was 12 years. After she gained her third Grand Master norms in Alex Memorial Grand Master Tournament held at Budapest, Hungary. Okay, now they given about her, what she like, what are her hobbies. She likes reading books and spending time with family. Okay, I added this point from the profile. All you should. She gets Asia's youngest international women master in 1999 and India's youngest women grandmaster in 2001. So this is the paragraph that what I said you should write in the examination by keeping all the points in your mind profile about that person.